Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A teacher gave a rectangular coloring sheet to each of his students. The sheet is 16 cm long and 9 cm wide. The area and perimeter of the sheet is this and this respectively. So we know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units, and area and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B units. Therefore, area of this rectangle is going to be area equal to 16 into 9, which is equal to 144 centimeter square, and perimeter equal to 2 into 16 plus 9, which is equal to 2 into 25, which is equal to 50 centimeters. So this is the answer. Area is 144 centimeters square and perimeter is 50 centimeters.